Good morning, everyone. Current time is 8:28. Just gonna go over a few things here. Mineral wells, it looks like there's a few showers, possibly a few thunderstorms starting to develop over in that area. Otherwise, it's just overcast right now. We do have a chance for severe thunderstorms later on this evening for much of the area. If you want more content like this, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Storm Spider Aces, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day, and stay safe.